Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell how you can easily fix your error. So here you can see suspicious login attempt. We detect an unusual login attempt. To secure your account, we will send you a security code to verify your identity. How do you want to receive your code? So two different options. First option is to receive code on your email, and second option is to receive code on the phone. So just choose what option you want to choose. So what option for you is most easier to get to receive code. So after, just tap on send security code and just wait until you will receive security code on your email or on your phone number. So after, you just need to write it here and just submit checking this code. So this is the way how you can also do it. So I hope that it will help you. And also, you need to know that mostly it happened because you just try to log in into your account at the same time from two different devices, or also you just use VPN. So just check, just go to the settings and just check if you don't use VPN. So just check if you here see not connected. If you connect, just disconnect from VPN and just try to log in again. So because mostly it happened because you just use VPN or some proxy. So Instagram just thinks that it's some another person tries to sign into your account. So this is a way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.